I am here to show you and review these eyelashes that I got on Amazon. This is a 320 piece set, and what I love about this is the variety. So as you can tell, you've got different in dimensions and length, and they also get a little bolder down here, but the lengths are between 9 and 16 millimeters, so they really are for any occasion, which I really like. If I'm just kind of wanting to spruce up my day and just do some, kind of lighter, shorter ones, I could do that. Or if I'm going to an event and I want some longer ones, a little bolder look, I've got these as well. But what I love about these is actually the second kit that I've gotten. They are waterproof. They're extremely durable. They feel really light and soft on my eyes. They don't feel really heavy, and they're really easy to apply. It also comes with tweezers. I always love, sometimes I use tweezers, sometimes I use my fingers, but these, I like these curved ones. And it has the glue and the bond. So really what you do, you're going to curl your natural eyelashes. Mine are laminated, so I'm going to skip that step. But you gently just kind of brush your eyelashes with this bond. As you can see, it's a nice little fine tip there. I'm gonna just brush under here. I'm going to apply my lashes with my tweezers, and then I'm going to seal them on with the seal steps. So I'm gonna show you kind of the before and after. As you can see, I don't have anything on. I do have a lift, but that is all. These are my natural eyelashes. I have a little eyeliner on, and that is it. Okay, so now they are all on, and you can see how beautiful they are. I love these, I really do. I was going for more natural look, so I just used the smaller ones up top, just kind of a variation of the 3 up here, but just look how seamless they are. They're so good. I feel like the bond and the seal of this were so easy to use. I don't think I've actually ever used something so easy. This went on first try. I did underneath my eyelashes with the tweezers and not above them. These just went on so well. So if you are needing some new eyelashes, I know I'm going to a wedding this weekend, so I'll be using these again, these longer ones. But again, I'm really impressed with these. I've used a million lashes, and I have not found some that are as easy to apply as these. So go grab you some, and you will thank me later.